Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 15th on a Friday, and taking a look at the market here, real close to all-time highs. Now we have to pay attention to this little doji yesterday with a pretty good volume bar. And we are gapping down, so we could be looking at maybe a pullback. I don't know, it's really been tough over the next couple of days. Be careful, today is quadruple witching, and it's also we have an index rebalance, so could be kind of sloppy today. But let's take a look at some setups. Still liking this PLTR. I think it's in this downtrend going back to last month, and if it can get through yesterday's high, it's going to break that downtrend. I'm just kind of liking the setup, and a lot of its peers. AI had a nice move yesterday. IONQ had a nice move. So I am in this, looking to maybe add if it takes out yesterday's high. NVDA, I think the big boys, the big techs have not been moving during the last few days of the move that we had in the overall market. So they are lagging. I like the way NVIDIA is setting up. Look for a break, above that 3-week high there, whatever that time frame would be. All right, ETRN, ETRN. And I know I throw out these names that it's not the name of the company. I just look at the symbol and pronounce it the best I can, just looking at the symbol. Anyway, impressive day yesterday, holding this 10-period moving average. I think you look for yesterday's high would be a nice trigger point if it can get through yesterday's high in that ETRN. One more on the thing is VIPs. I am in this and looking at VIPs. Nice move yesterday. Oh, I'm in actually quite a few China stocks. China is trying to bounce, and there's several on my list today, so make sure you look at my list. But here you have VIPs trying to break through this critical level here around 1675. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.